Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at Luxor Hotel Casino in Las Vegas. This is a Tower Premier King room. I booked with my MGM Platinum status, $20 a night for Friday and Saturday nights in late January 2026. See some furniture on the outside, older chairs, green chairs, a big closet on this side. A view outside. I'm on the 21st floor. Can't see too much as it's later. Temperature controls on the wall. 2 nightstands for this king bed. I originally booked it as a queen bed, which was a cheaper rate, $20 a night, and they upgraded me to a king. This is no suite or deluxe room by any means, but it is a tower room, which is better than the standard pyramid rooms. See art on the wall and the spacious king bed with the headboard type area in the back. TV on this side and also a larger desk that can be good for a laptop. They gave me some snacks at the check-in, some bottled water, trail mix, Rice Krispie treats, and Cheez-It. Space on the side for luggage, more space over here. We'll head into the bathroom and see what it has for us. A large sink, 1 sink in this area. Bathtub on this side, not the biggest of bathrooms, but the bathtub is separate from the shower. You have this area, toilet on this side, and the walk-in shower, and the standard shampoo and body wash in the back. But good for 2 nights before a hotel hop to Rio, Las Vegas, to get in some Hyatt qualifying nights and complimentary breakfast. But I'm here with MGM, with my MGM Platinum status, waiving resort fee earned through credit card spend. We have a table on this side advertising room service. We're definitely going to skip that. Get another look of the room on this side. I think for a $20 rate, escaping the winter weather of Pennsylvania. Allegedly, a big snowstorm is coming in, so this is a good opportunity to escape that. Extending my trip, taking advantage of low rates with MGM Resorts, thanks to MGM credit cards, comps, and status earned through credit card spending. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off. Stay tuned for more content from Las Vegas and much more.